Alright, so using FOIL means we want to expand this using the distributive property. And once we've done that, we need to write it in this format. So just expansion, x times x equals x squared. X times q, I can write that as qx. P times x is px. And p times q is pq. So now look at this. Look at the format that you're trying to get to and see what the similarities are. So we have an x squared in ours, that's good. And we have a pq, good. So we just need to write the middle bit as p plus q times x. Let's see if we can do that. So if you look at just the middle bit, qx and px have a common factor of x. They're both being multiplied by x. So what you can do is take out that common factor. So if you take out a common factor of x, it'll be x times, and then what's left inside the brackets? Qx divided by x is just q, and px divided by x is just p. Okay, now this and this are actually the same thing. We can just rewrite it to be their format. So x squared plus x times q plus p is the same as q plus p times x because it doesn't matter what order you multiply things in. And q plus p is the same as p plus q. So I can write p plus q times x plus pq. So that means that your two number terms, if you have something in the format of x plus or minus something and x plus or minus something, where these two are numbers, if you multiply your two number terms, you should get the number term in the expanded version. If you add the two number terms, p plus q, you should get the x coefficient in the expanded version. So filling in this, if you're factoring 8x squared plus 8x plus 12, you need to find two numbers that multiply to get the number term here. So two numbers that multiply to get 12, and add to get 8, your x coefficient. If you have x squared minus 13x plus 12, you need to multiply to get your number term again, so you need to multiply to get 12. And you have to have two numbers that add to get negative 13. The sign makes a difference, include the sign. Just a word of warning. This rule only works if your x squared coefficient has no number in front of it. So if it's just a plain x squared. If it was 3x squared or 17x squared, you couldn't use this rule.